Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video $41,759.48 bank levy reversed. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, as I've been telling y'all over and over and over again, we're going to keep this thing going, man. Like I told you all, this is the year of testimonies, okay? Even though I dropped a lot of testimonies in 2018, I wanted to dedicate 2019 strictly to testimonies. So from 2019 and beyond, more testimonies in the near future, okay? As long as I'm doing this, I'm here to provide testimonies and brothers helping, okay? So as you all know, I've done pretty much everything that could be done when fighting child support, from getting licenses reinstated, getting refund checks. This is my second notice of levy that was reversed. Dismissals, motions to vacates. I did everything, man, basically, So with that being said, I'd like to give all glory and honor to the Most High Yah, who allowed me to do these things and giving me eyes to see the truth, so I can guide brothers in the same light and same truth, for they can get remedy as well. The same remedy that I've received, when I was dealing with this situation. Like I tell you all, it's not an easy fight, but it's a fight worth fighting, especially when you win, okay? And you starting to see results like this, okay? Because 41,000 bank levy and they garnish it out of your checking account is not a small deal, man. I don't care what no one says, I would be sick if I wake up in the morning and $41,000 is negative in my bank account. Man, oh man. I was... So, shout out to my brother that's going to give his testimony, to explain that he, basically kept his composure. He hit me up, and yeah, he got it all back in his bank account. Okay? So now, let's go over this documentation, for all the brothers out there fighting. Because like I said, if I do a testimony, I'm just not going to have, a brother come on my, who I'm assisting, who I so-called help, come up here and give his testimony without any evidence like other channels do. You know what I mean? I'm not going to give no name, but that channel who's been hating for a minute, and I put his face up on his YouTube thing, that channel, and the other goofball, y'all know who he is too, who be hating as well. Those cats, yeah, they need to tighten up, man, because pressure is being applied. Alright, I've been doing it all, man. Can nobody on YouTube dealing with this child support thing can provide more evidence than me, man, or have provided more evidence than me. Alright, so again, not to toot my own horn, but the facts are the facts, and the truth is the truth. Do anybody want to debate, rebut, then show me. Put up more documentation, put up more evidence, put up more truth, put up more facts, man. Until then, hey, it is what it is, man. You can't get mad at the truth, but they say the truth hurts. But it is what it is. But shout out to the real brothers out there fighting. They know who they are, I rep the people that rep me, man. The people that show me love, hey, I support them just as well as they support me. So shout out to the brothers out there that's fighting and out here in that struggle, man. And you know who you are. But hey, y'all, hey, stick with it, man, We're going to crack that code to the point that, man, hey, it's going to be a beautiful day once that thing really crack open and everybody just hit the floodgates. You see what I mean? But let's go over this documentation right here, because like I said, before I have my art come on here, I got to go over this documentation so y'all can see this truth, right before your eyes. Like I said, men and women can lie, but documentations and numbers don't, okay? But let's continue. As you can see, it says child support program in the state of Florida, Department of Revenue. But it's crazy how my last video that happened in the Florida Department of Revenue with my ARC, that they tried to deny the motion to vacate, you see, in Florida. But as you can see now, we making Florida tighten up and give money back. You see? So this ARC right here also gave the gift, and we went straight to work and got his bank unfrozen and got the levy back and got his money back out the levy. Okay, we reversed the levy. But let's continue. It says child support program, notice to freeze. Notice to freeze what? His credit union bank account. So as you can see, I crossed out the credit union information. Like my ox said, he wanted me to cross out all this personal information. I said, all right, cool. Only thing I kept on here is the date. Okay? So you all will know this happened last month on April the 16th, 2019. I crossed my ox name, my social security number out, etc. Okay? But let's read the notice. It says, number one, past due child support is owed. Right? Then it says the person named above owes $41,759.48 in past due support as of April the 16th, 2019 that we are trying to collect. Number two, you must withhold, right? Then it says you may not transfer or release any property in your possession up to the amount owed that belongs to the person who owes support. This includes wages or other payments you may owe them, right? Then it says you may not pay the money or give the property to anyone until we tell you to in writing. Okay, so let's continue. You must contact us within 5 days after you get this notice. You must complete and return this form. Keep a copy for yourself. Tell us, bullet point number one, or bullet point one, should I say, of any wages, income, or other personal property owned by or owed to this person that you have in your control, and bullet point number two, or bullet point two, should I say, the amount, value, and location of any wages, income, or property. Please complete the field below with the freeze amount and date of freeze. Okay, so as you all can see, this is sent to the bank, so we're going to see that the bank put the freeze amount and the date of freeze. Okay, and this was sent back to the Department of Florida Revenue, so you all will know. Florida Department of Revenue, on the screen. Like I tell you all, I provide full and complete documentation so you all can see this truth. Now we're going to go to his bank account to see that they take the money. As you all can see, they took the money on April, highlighted in yellow, April 19th, 2019. Let's go back and see when the order was written. I mean, this, not order, but this letter was written, or this notice. The notice was written April 16, 2019. Okay, so they garnished his wages 2 to 3 days after they received the notice. Look how much they garnished his wages for. Okay, his account is now available negative $41,756.45. Negative in the bank account. Okay, underlined in red. Let's scroll down some more so y'all can see another negative $41,737.12. Okay, so this is all for all the haters out there, man, who be throwing shade. I hear you, but you ain't worth the response. So I just, kill you with testimonies over and over and over and over and over again, man. You can't stop me, man. Can nobody stop what I'm doing? And they can't provide evidence like this. But let's go to his bank account now, so you all can get better understanding and see that I tell all truth. Here we go. Boom. What do that say? Available, $1.04 available in this account. Okay. His regular shared account, $561. Let's scroll down. Again, my ox circled this himself when he sent it to me. Available, $0. Okay? So again, all facts, all truth, all proof, man. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's see when the date. It was today. As you can see, tomorrow is June 1st, 2019. So, as of June 1st, 2019, he is back to normal. Okay? The money and the lien, and the levy was reversed. Okay? So, again, I'm going to have my Ock come on now to give his testimony. So, without further ado, let's go there. Okay, as promised, I got my Ock on the phone. Are you ready, Ock?
Yes, I'm ready.
Hold on, let me turn it down a little bit. I don't want it to be too loud. Make sure they can hear you clear. All right, the floor is yours, brother.
Yes, how you guys doing out there? I reached out to the brother, y'all's magnified. I told him my situation, what I had going on. He looked into it. gave me the proper documents. I put them in the mail. You know, as usual, you know, these people, they didn't respond to nothing at all. And then I just kept checking my account. And shoot, this first thing this morning, I checked it again, zero balance.
Zero balance. But so did they send you any documentation in the mail, or you just happen to check?
I just happened to check. They haven't sent anything in the mail.
Okay.
I just happened to check.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Because when you remember when you emailed me and told me that they garnished it?
Yes.
And then what I say?
I remember when well, you know, I was hysterical, but you was just calm, cool, and collected. Like, I got you. Don't worry about it. I'm like, okay, don't worry about it. Okay, all right. You basically told me what to do. I did it, executed. As long as you listen to the details and do everything you're told to do, everything is going to go according to plan. It may not happen when you want it to happen, but it's going to eventually happen.
Exactly. Because the first time you send it, you know, you said you had missed a step or something. I was like, nah, you got to go back and do it again.
Yeah. I had missed a step. Yep, I had missed a step. I don't know what happened with my email, but when I checked the documents, I only had, I think, 3 documents, and I needed 1 more.
Right.
And once we realized that, do everything over, just like that, like not like military style. Let's go. We got to do all this over again. I'm like, over again? Yes. Yep. No problem. It was all worth it.
Yep. So you did it. You was like, the next thing you know, today you hit me up, because it was only how long was it like that? Since April, right?
Since April.
Yep.
Since beginning of April.
So let me ask you, is the donation worth it, brother? Is the sending the gift worth it?
Man, it is very worth it, man. I want this man to open up a school. It is very worth it. The donation is worth it at all times, brothers. Like, listen, it is worth it. We all doubt things, but at the end of the day, we take risk on all other type of stupid things. Not to call everything stupid, but things that is not that important. But this is our livelihood, so I don't see why it should be a problem.
Correct. Because I remember when you hit me up, you was like, "I'm taking a chance." You know what I mean? You was skeptical. You know what I
mean? Yeah. Because I had the number. I was like watching YouTube. I had then got fed up with these people because I knew something wasn't right. Because I was like, hold on, I got too much documents supporting, saying that, hey, I don't have nothing to do with you guys. So I said, I got on YouTube, I'm looking at these other guys, I'm listening to them, but like I say, what caught me was the testimonies.
Yeah, them testimonies do it, brother. Because not that many people have them, you know.
Right. The testimonies. Yeah, the other guys didn't have no testimonies. If they did, I didn't see them. But I don't remember. I only remember y'all magnified with the testimonies. And for me, I was like, you know what? These, especially, I felt like I was hearing different ethnic groups. I could have swore I heard a Jamaican, a Haitian guy, a white guy. I was like, okay, this is not scripted.
Yeah, they all different.
This is real.
And now you know for yourself. You see it happen for yourself. $41,000, man. 41,000. That's a lot of money, man. That's not a little bit of money, man. That was $41,000 that they took from your bank account.
So I was like, it's worth it, and we still got more fighting to go. I'm ready for the long haul. It was worth it.
It's worth it, right? Hey, you already got your donation back. Plus more.
Right.
Yeah, the gift you sent nowhere near this amount. Nowhere near. It's like a drop in the bucket.
Nowhere near.
You know, that's $41,000, man, that they took from you and that they put right back. Yep. But I ain't gonna hold you. I know you got a lot to do with the weekend. I know you ready to enjoy your weekend and everything. Do you have anything else you want to say to the people who's out there before you leave?
Man, if you guys are looking for someone, don't just take it from me. Do your due diligence. Subscribe, follow, listen, and compare. Compare to other people. I guarantee you, you're going to come right back to this ship.
Exactly. Yep. Because ain't that many showing $40,000 being put back into somebody else's account after the child support agency garnished the bank.
Yeah.
Alright, so I know you got to go. I ain't gonna hold you no longer. Thanks for the testimony, brother. I really appreciate that. I'm just excited. I'm excited for you, brother.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm real excited. Burden lifted off my shoulders.
Alright, so I ain't gonna hold you no longer. So if you all need my help, y'all all heard it from him. If you all need my help, hit me up in my email at y'allismagnified@gmail.com. If you serious, let's get on it. So with that being said, I say shalom, my brother.
Shalom, my brother.
Alright, peace.
Peace.